How to withdraw from Vtmarkets. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to proceed on your withdrawal on Vtmarkets. The very first thing you want to do is, of course, open up my account at vtmarkets.com, which is going to be on your screen. Now, the account that I am currently opening right now is for educational purposes. But for additional information, for you to be able to withdraw any funds that you have from Vtmarkets, make sure that you already fully verified your Vtmarkets account so that withdrawal will be available. So next thing that you want to do is go into the funds drop down and then click on withdraw funds. Now from here, all I have to do next is choose the trading platform and then choose the appropriate account where you would like the money to be withdrawn, and as well as the withdrawal amount. Next is the withdrawal method. Now there's going to be a lot of withdrawal method, but you just have to choose on your preferred one. Say for example for credit card. Now once you have key in your credit card detail, it will be saved on your Vtmarkets account. And you can also um, go on adding a secondary method, which is going to be the second field. And that's it. That's how you withdraw from Vtmarkets.